welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and trade on MEXC futures. Alright, it's very easy compared to the MEXC desktop application, which might seem a little bit cluttered and somehow difficult to navigate for first-time users. Alright, so on MEXC mobile application, first thing you want to do is to go ahead and fund your account, and you can actually fund your account by coming to the more section, and if you scroll down, you look for buy crypto and you click on it, and you just go ahead and you buy crypto. Alright, it's that easy. And you can click on the P2P section and you'll be taken to the P2P section, which you can actually use in buying USDT, BTC from other traders based on your location. Alright, based on your location. Alright, so that's it. And you can now click on filter in case you want to change your fiat currency. You can do that. Click on more and you can search. So you can see we have only 3 currency right here. So that's just it, guys. So let me show you how to get. Once you funded your account, your money is going to be on the sports section. So right now I don't have enough amount of money on my sports section, so basically it's going to be on your fiat. Then you have to transfer it to your sports, and if you're actually trading on the sports section. But in this case, if you are trading on the futures section, what you want to do is to go ahead and transfer your funds from fiat to futures. So how do you do that? You click on transfer, then from transfer I'll rotate this, then I'll click on spot. Okay, sorry, I'll click on fiat, then this spot will be changed to futures. All right, but I don't know what's wrong. I don't know why it's not working right now, but that's how you can actually do it. All right, that's how you can actually do it. So once you've done that and you have assets in your futures account, what you want to do is to come to futures, and on futures you'll be able to go ahead and place a trade. So let me explain a few things to you in case you find it difficult. So the first thing you're actually seeing here, USDTM, has to do with all the trades on this section would be you placing a trade using USDT. All right, so you're placing a trade using USDT. Why on coin M? It has to do with you using the same asset. All right, you're placing with the assets. All right, so you can see in this case you have BTC USD. So you can see right here we have the various coins. Basically yeah, I kind of feel like USDT is the best, all right, in terms of the future section. So you can actually make use of that, but you can make use of anyone you want. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is to learn about this isolated. So we have isolated and we have cross. So we click on it, you see it right here. We have isolated and we have cross. Isolated margin has to do with once your asset or once a trade is liquidated, the trade will automatically close in case you don't set a stop loss. But in the case of cross margin, once your trade is liquidated, it will also go ahead and charge your available balance. All right, which means money will be deducted from your available balance. So that's how the cross margin works. So as a beginner, you want to stick with the isolated margin. All right, with that said, you close that, and the next one you actually see right here is your leverage. You want to go ahead and set your leverage. Leverage helps you enjoy more benefits in the market. All right, so you want to enjoy more benefits in the market by setting leverage, and the best leverage for you to set is 20x. All right, but most people the best leverage for you to set is 10x, and the maximum you can actually use, and let's say I'll feed the maximum and the best is still 20x. So 10 to 20x, make use of 10 to 20x. Anything that exceeds 20x, then you're actually not going to enjoy the market. All right, so you want to use leverage between 10 to 20 or 5x to 20. All right, so in that case, so I'll just go and you can click on it, and I can click on it. I'll change this to 10, sorry, and I'll click on confirm. Done. Now you can see we have what we call long and short. Now how does it works? This red section means short, while this green section means long, and long also means buy. and short also means sell. So it's same thing. All right, so now you understand that. So the next thing you want to understand is stop loss. How do you set stop loss? You click on this icon, click on it, click on this check mark, and you're going to set your stop loss. Now you click on TP and you input the amount you want to set your stop loss. Okay, let me just enter a random value looking at the price. I would say okay, then I'll say okay, then I've set a stop loss. So that's how you set a stop loss. As I said, stop loss. So now we have what we call markets. So if you click on it, you click on this section, you notice we have markets and we have limits. So what you want to do is when you actually analyze your trade, the best method for you to use is limits. You see most trade will be actually taken on the limits section. All right, so if you make use of the market, it means you're entering the trade instantly. All right, but most traders actually go through their technical analysis, and once they've done technical analysis, they might actually have a point they actually want to enter the particular trade. So that's why we prefer the limit. Then you input the amount. You input the amount you want the trade to be triggered. I would say 42,654. No, let's say 50.5. Then I'll click next. Now I'll change this. Sorry, I think I did mistake on my stop loss. It was supposed to be 42,653 point. No, let me say 50.3. Then let's say this should be 41650 point. Let's say 9. Click done. Then now I can go ahead and place this trade. And if you notice, I want you to note something. So if you drag this, it's going to select a particular amount of USDT in your account by percentage. So if I set this to 5% or 10%, it's going to take 10% of my total available balance on my futures account. And where's your futures account again? Your futures account again is right here. This is your futures account. So that's why I said you need to transfer your fund into your futures. All right, so once you've done that, you just have to take a percentage. Most people actually make use of 10 to 20, or you can use any amounts you want. Basically, it's your asset. You can use any amount there. Then that's all. So it's that easy. And you click on this BTC, you'll be able to select other trades. Right, other trades. Let me click on US, so you can see other trades. You can take other trades. So let me just select this real quick. You can take other trades, and once your trade is placed, you'll be able to see it right here. And once you've gotten or make a few profits and you want to go ahead and sell, you can always sell by clicking on close buy. It's that easy. Right now, because I don't have any amount of USDT in my account, I'll be able to show you that. So I think you understand the video, and if you found it helpful, kindly like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.